What's going on, everyone? This is a version 1 through 4 STI front bumper. I have seen a ton of them, but I've never seen anybody do a video about how the bracket goes together, just in case anybody was wondering before they went. Got one. So I figured I'd just show you how to do it real quick in case somebody forgets to send you the hardware. Luckily, I got the screws for the actual covers. They came with the covers when I ordered them, but they didn't send. These are M6 bolts, and this is what the bracket looks like. Actually, yeah, this is what the bracket looks like. This one's for the other side, but that's what it looks like on the backing. You can see how that mounts in here with these little tabs. So they just kind of slot in. And then on the back side, it's just a welded nut, so you can screw a bolt in. And so this kind of goes together like this. So I figured I'd just show you. So this kind of mounts in like there. Let's see, we'll line the holes up here. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. So you mount that in there. Then you actually will mount your turn signal with the same bolt for the top. So you'll mount that all together like that. And once all that's bolted in nice, you will mount the cover. So that kind of gives you an idea how that all goes together if you were curious about putting the covers on. All right, well, I hope that helps.